We do like to do a post-inspection to make sure that you're happy with the results.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show. Checka Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Checka Pro Joe.
A lot of us are very busy. Thank goodness for companies like Amazon, because we don't have to shop as much on our own. Things get delivered when we're out at work or out at soccer with the kids. Some questions come up, though, about home service companies, and in particular, carpet cleaning. I've asked Erik Olson, a professional in the carpet cleaning business from Safe and Soft, to answer this question that's come up. Do I have to be home while my carpets are being cleaned? What's the answer to that?
Great question, Joe. Technically, no. So we clean for many clients who trust us to come and clean their homes while they are away, right? We send background checks for our technicians before they arrive at the home so that they know who is coming to their home. And we just ask that payment is due upon completion. So typically, if they're not home or if you need to leave while we're there cleaning, we just collect payment before they leave, or we can just run a card after the work is completed. We do like to do like a post-inspection to make sure that you're happy with the results, but we can also send you before and after photos, and we have a 30-day guarantee where if you're not happy, we will come back and clean the carpets again at no charge. We would prefer that you are there, but we understand that people have busy lives, and we have the systems in place to accommodate.
So very simply, everybody, if you want to be there, it's great. If you can't be there, you can still get your carpets cleaned, so it's no excuse. Call Erik and his team over at Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning. All their information is listed in the description of this podcast. Thanks, Erik.
Thanks, Joe.
Checka Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Checka Pro Radio Show.